Depending upon the value that is 0, which we allocate, sir, is there any
Hmm.
possibility that few of them will get answer in second step and few of them will get in third step, like that, something like
Exactly,
that,
that's
sir?
what I'm trying to tell you. ನೀವು lucky ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ first step ಅಲ್ಲಿ answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If your friend has taken other value, he or she might have to do another 2 steps more. But no matter whatever you do, final answer 2200 should be same to everybody. ಅದು guarantee. ಅರ್ಥಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? The number of steps might alter. You might get the answer the
Okay.
first step, she might get in 2 steps later, somebody might get 3 steps later. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ possibility ಇದೆ. But final answer should be 2200 only. There, nobody can have different answers. Am I clear?
Sir,
Yeah.
yes. Sir,
Yes, sir,
yesterday
tell
I
me.
asked the question about this IBFS value, sir.
Yeah.
It may be different, you told, sir. But
Yes.
in Modi method, it's like V1 value and U1 value are I have got different, sir.
That's what I'm telling you. All values
Yes.
will change. IBFS will change, U value change, V value change, ಎಲ್ಲ change ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. But final answer Modi method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು final optimal solution ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that shall be the same to everybody. That's why I'm telling you from day one. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, at each step ಅಲ್ಲಿ please don't compare the answers. It all depends how or which allocation you have taken. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ the whole problem will change. ಎಲ್ಲ number of steps change ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ the problem might get the answer in the case 1 itself. Case 1 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ 2200 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. We don't know. Okay? It depends on which one you have taken. Okay, don't worry about
Okay,
it.
sir. It is.
Right? U and B ಕೂಡ
It's
change
not the
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ
final.
value change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. It's not the final
All
answer. No, sir. Right.
Yeah.
That was
Tell me.
the doubt.
Yeah.
That's
That's
it.
what. I understood. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ IBFS ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ. That is all not important to me. The final answer, that is the optimal solution, shall be unique. ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 6 ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೂಪರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೆಸರ್. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್? ಶಿಯರ್ ಲಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. somewhere ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ if you feel that I'll take this ಅಂದ್ರೆ, maybe you will get the answer with minimum steps, or otherwise the number of steps can be more. Beyond that, I will not be any other changes in the final answers. Okay? Yeah. Okay. I think we have completed all the questions in module number 4 as far as transportation problem is concerned. Okay? I'll just take another 5 minutes time and I'll quickly recap what exactly we have done in the entire chapter, so that you can understand what are the important points as far as transportation chapter is concerned. Okay. To start with, I've told you in the entire transportation problem, there are 3 different types of solutions available. The first one is called as initial basic feasible solution. Second one is called as optimal solution. And third one is called as maximization solution. So these are the 3 different types of solutions we have as far as transportation problem is concerned. Okay. When it comes to initial basic feasible solution, there are 3 different methods that we can use to find IBFS. The first method is called as Northwest Corner Rule method. The second method is called as least cost method. And the third method is called as Ogle's approximation method. Of all the 3 methods, there could be 2 different types of questions. The first type of question could be balanced problem, and second type of question could be unbalanced problem. The basic requirement of any transportation problem is, before we start calculating or solving the problem by any of the 3 methods, you have to verify whether it is balanced problem or unbalanced. Suppose if it is unbalanced, then you are supposed to balance it and then continue the problem. How do we balance it? We should always balance by adding that extra deficit. We are not supposed to subtract anything. So addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. So whatever shortage is there, that shall be introduced either by introducing a dummy row or dummy column and then balancing. So these were the 2 types of problems we have as far as IBFS is concerned. Coming to the next method, which is optimal solution. In optimal solution, there are basically 2 methods. One is called as Modi method and second one is called as stepping stone method. But as far as your syllabus is concerned, you only have problems on Modi method. In the stepping stone method syllabus illa, hagagi don't worry about it. Only Modi method is applicable. Again, in Modi method, there are 3 possibilities. The problems coming under case 1, problems coming under case 2, and the problems case 3. Case 3 ನಾನು degeneracy ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, no problem. What is case 1? A case 1 questions are those questions where you are just verifying whether the IBFS itself is optimal or not. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. What is case 2? If at all case 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ negative delta Ig value ಬಂದ್ರೆ, if you're getting the delta Ig value is negative, then the problem has to further continue by case 2 by doing all the procedures. What are the procedures we talk about there? We do the condition called drawing a closed path, identifying the minimum negative cell and all that. And then case 2 is a method or a process where we are able to identify the new solution of optimal. So new optimal solutions can be determined. And the third variety or third case is the one which we did today, which is the degeneracy problem. Whenever the total number of occupied cells will not be equal to m plus n minus 1, then I am supposed to introduce a dummy allocation called epsilon. Epsilon introduce madbe. Where am I supposed to introduce epsilon? Epsilon has to be introduced amongst the lowest unit transportation cost amongst all the unoccupied cells. Unoccupied cells UTC nalli the lowest unit transportation cost ige I am supposed to introduce this dummy allocation and then solve the problem. And finally, the maximization case, I think I have done long back. Maximization problem in we will not have a separate method for maximization. First, we have to convert a maximization problem to minimization and then solve the problem. But finally, when you're writing the answer, you should multiply with the original values. A bit rare. I think for maximization, we don't have any separate method or technique. It can be solved by the same 3 methods of minimization case. Okay. So this is the overall concepts as far as the transportation problem is concerned. Okay. So can I take your feedback about the entire chapter, that you've understood all the methods perfectly and clearly? Any doubts or anything to be done or any clarifications? I think you have another 2-3 minutes time. You can ask. Go ahead. Yeah, you can please speak out. Any questions, any doubts, or any clarifications, or anything that you would like to share, you can please feel free to tell me. Guys,
No
please
doubt.
speak out. I'll be lost here. Yeah. Your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear that. Can you please repeat it again? I couldn't hear. What was that?
No doubt. Everything is clear, so.
Okay. Yeah, I think we have completed successfully one numerical module, complete numerical module it was. There was very limited scope for theory here. So I just wanted to get your feedback. Like, have you all completely understood this methodology of teaching? Or you want me to make any changes or any alterations in this pedagogy so that I can reach you more effectively?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Understand.
Yes.
Okay, that's really nice. So now, see, I'm doing my level best. I'm trying, I'm going out of my way to reach all of you. Now it is your responsibility to compensate by practicing more problems. Illandre nan class alli ಎಷ್ಟು problems solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ unless and otherwise you practice it. And one more, I would say, limitation of OR ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, if you don't practice these problems on regular basis, you completely forget the things. One small, if you forget one small step in between, I think the entire problem is gone. Tumba confusion agake scope ide alli. A lot of scope for confusion, and all such confusions can be clarified or you'll come out of it only when you practice more and more problems. Bare inenu magic stick illa ille. It's sheer hard work and sheer hard work. That's all. Okay. Practice madi. Every day if you spend maximum 10-15 minutes, I think that is more than sufficient. And as it is, I'll be able to do only 1 or 2 problems a day, not more than that. Adanna ನೀವು one problem practice ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, I think you can confidently crack the exam. Had it been a classroom setup, it's a different story because I can go to each one of you, see what's happening. But now in this virtual setup, a lot of limitations are there. Agagi ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು that extra mile has to be walked by you. Okay, so teacher efforts ke compliment ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಗಷ್ಟೇ I think the results can be better. Okay, I think we have successfully completed module 4 now. So Monday we will start with the module 5. So module 5 is about assignment problem. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 chapter ಬರುತ್ತೆ, assignment as well as sequencing. 2 chapters na combine ಮಾಡಿ they made it as one single module. And the last module is network analysis and replacement. Adu 6th module. and then I'll come back to module number 3, which is about linear programming problem. And there are totally 3 modules pending there. Now we have completed 50% of syllabus. I think we can go ahead, no problem. So I'll be sharing some questions today, completely based on Modi method. What you can do is, all the other questions which I've given last classes and all, ashtu combine madi, all the problems in transportation, you can make it as one single assignment and upload in Quicklearn. Is that clear? I think I've given totally 3 assignments. First 2 I've given NWCR, LCM, some subset of problems, and then I gave problems on WAM. Then I gave some problems on maximization. Then I gave some problems on Modi method. And today also I'll give some questions on case 2 and degeneracy. Ashtu solve made, you just make it as one single document, one PDF file made. You can upload in Quicklearn. Anyway, I will share the link. I will create the assignment link in Quicklearn by today or tomorrow, and I will give some time. I want you to tell me when you will be able to upload the assignment. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, because I want you to enjoy learning and assignment. Don't do it for the sake of doing it. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ನೀವು ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ನನಗೆ. Right? Instead of writing, you can take a photocopy and send it across. At least you can save your time and energy. There is no point in copying. So please tell me by when you will be able to upload the assignment of entire transportation. I'll give it to you. Aganta, you don't tell me August antala helbedi. It should be feasible and reasonable time. Yes, sir. Yes, madam. Please go ahead and tell me the time.
By next Saturday.
Next Saturday is okay with all of you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Today also I'll be posting some questions. Idunu include ಮಾಡಿ all the previous questions of this chapter alone. ಬೇರೆ chapters alla only this chapter, that is transportation model ಮಾತ್ರ, everything together as single document agi upload ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so next Saturday is the deadline anyway. You have agreed for it, so please respect the deadlines and honor that, so that you will also will be comfortable. You will not also have a lot of things to do at the end. Okay, and ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು before I forget. Since it's a practical paper, maximum weightage will be given for assignment questions. Okay, agagi every single assignment will have due weightage, because that will be attributed to the maximum percentage in your final internal marks. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ maximum weightage is given for assignment questions. Please make sure that everybody is submitting assignments on time. In case if you have any technical problem or any issues with submission, please reach back, come back to me and clarify. Last minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ assignments final conclusion ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I'll not be able to help you, or I'll not be able to buy your theories also. So please don't make my situation also very difficult at the end, because I really don't want anybody to have problems, particularly in this episode. Agagi timely, if any help or anything is required, please reach me out same time. Don't prolong and delay till the end. Last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I'll not be able to help you out anyway. Okay, and again, lot of people are missing classes. I think today I don't know what is the attendance status. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು? CR, how many students are there today?
8.
48 people are there. Okay, excluding me it is 47. Okay, I think still a lot of people are missing. Please inform them to attend classes regularly. Okay, otherwise it's going to be difficult. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think we can end the class for the day. You can maybe take around 10-15 minutes break for your next class. So I want to quickly know from your class, from Monday, which time would be ideal for all of you, because I think Shankar sir class is still continuing, right? I think next week also have a couple of classes, I believe, isn't it? Hello.